This is going to be a quick room tour plus an LED installation video. I have the lights on in my room because my room faces east and it is dark. For your viewing pleasure, I have decided to turn on my lights during daytime, and don't worry, I'm going to turn it off right away when I'm done. I never turn it on during daytime. It's just because it's too dark for me to film. I'm so sorry. Here it is. This is my door. I just hang my jacket there, whatever I'm wearing that day. And then when you come in, you see the mirror that I was talking to you through and my really nice slippers, like the obedient Asian child I am. And then here I have a little drawer that I hold miscellaneous things, mainly like cleaning beauty stuff. And then I have a wardrobe that my dad made and he built it into the wall. Holds all my clothes. I have some books over here, some notebooks, other souvenirs, my window, some plants. A lot of them are kind of sparse. My hamper, my bed. So I bought these bed sheets in like, I don't know, 2012 or 2011 when damask was like so in. I just found out it's called damask. Oops. And I just haven't purchased new ones since. My nightstand, water bottles, hot water, cold water. Cause you know we Asians gotta drink hot water, but then I also have cold water just in case. Lotion, tissue, basic lip balm, a desk where I don't have a chair. So now I can't really use this desk unless I find a chair. Anyways, so on my table I have my Google Home, a diffuser from Amazon, my iPad. It's standing on this little stand. I love it. I got it for like $1 at this Japanese dollar store. Some chargers. This is great. I can pull it really far and it reaches all the way to my bed, so I can charge while using my devices on my bed. Here I have vitamins. Make sure you eat your vitamins, guys. I mean, only if you need to. Otherwise, you'll be peeing really expensive pees. My glasses, because I'm blind. And then this is for stationery and also art supplies. Yeah. Coloring pencils, my essential oils, lotion. And there's nothing here, so I feel like I should really put something on this wall, but I haven't decided yet, so yeah, maybe a tapestry or something. I don't know. I'm gonna install my LED lights. I bought this LED light from Amazon and I showed it in my Amazon haul. So it's just a 16.4 feet long LED. And I'm planning to put it under my bed, along the side, the back, and then my outlet is over there. So that should be 16.4 feet long or less than. Maybe I'll start over here, around the perimeter. I wanted to do this because at night I don't have a lot of light. Actually, I don't have any light at all. The only light I have is this one. And the light switch is by the door, and I clearly do not sleep by the door. So I just wanted something where I can kind of use the remote control to turn on and off, and I don't have a nightlight or a bedside lamp. Actually, for the price of these LEDs, I could have purchased a nightlight. Okay, got that open. Like it, share it. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Like I said, manuals, nobody reads that. Okay, I guess this is the LED. These are the LED lights, or the strand of LED lights. Alcohol pads. I don't know. Plug. Okay, I'm gonna eat my words. I definitely need to read the instructions this time, so be right back. Okay, because I want to stick this on my bed, this is going to be so difficult.
I have to move my nightstand, which is so heavy. I don't even know what I have in there. Shift everything over, move all my stuff, and then try to get behind the bed. Now there's another obstacle because I need to move my bed forward, but then I have a hamper there. So
yeah, stay tuned. Okay, that was not that hard. I was totally over exaggerating. I'm sorry. So in the pack they do give you an alcohol wipe. I'm gonna use this. I hope it's not dried out. I don't like when sometimes you buy things online and it's completely dry. Okay, this is still wet, so I'm just gonna wipe everything that I'm going to take. step 2 is done. Step 3, actually it's step C. I have a feeling I'm gonna screw this up. I swear I'm not that dumb, but sometimes I just... Okay, so actually step C, D, and E are pretty similar. I kind of just decided that that looks really ugly, and now I'm gonna stick it under here instead. So I think I'm gonna be the first person ever to screw up LED lights. Is that ugly? Oh my god, that's so ugly. You know what? I won't even notice. If you're wondering how I'm feeling right now, stressed. Is this even gonna fit? So Cindy, how did you spend your weekend? Oh, it was good. I spent about 2 hours putting on LED lights in my room. I'm still struggling. Oh my god, I did it! I am sweating. It looks so good! Oh my god. Okay, the good part about my room being so dark is that I can test out these LED lights right now, and yeah. This looks so good. I am so happy. You can make it brighter, or you can make it dimmer. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. I love this. To be honest, I think I'll just keep it at white all the time. This is like one of the most amazing things I've done to my room. I'm so happy I did it. If you are interested in these lights, I'm gonna link it down below in my description box, but I'm sure a lot of you guys already have it because I'm so late to this trend. And also, if you guys like my video, please like or send me a comment down below because I want to talk to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I hope you had as much fun as I did making this video. But anyways, I'll shut up now and bye.